Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is African Lioness TV. In case you are watching this channel for the first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming to watch my video. Please don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe. Click on the smash the like button and click on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to get the video. Okay? So now I and my sister Happy, we are trying to prepare okra soup and ogbono. Okay, mixed together. Yes, two types of what we are trying to use to prepare soup right now. So now this is the okra soup. So this is the okra. This is the okra. So I've washed this okra. I've already washed the okra. So next thing now is to collect the okra and cut it, slice it into pieces. Okay, this way. So you already wash your cutting board, then place it on the table. Then you slice the okra in pieces this way. So get this. So you slice it this way. So slice it. You slice the okra. Just be mindful of your fingers so that you don't cut your nail. So you cut the okra, slice it this way. You come closer so that people will see the okra the way I slice it. So we cut the okra and remove the bad side of it. Chop it. Try to chop it. Cut it into pieces. So you see how it looks like. So after cutting it, it will look like this. You now pour it on your plate so that it will be easy for you to put it on the soup. What it looks like. See? You see? If you're a fan of okra, let me know, okay? Put it down in the comment section. If you like okra soup, tell me, put it down in the comment section. But don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe, okay? Yeah, so yeah, let's continue later. Yes, for the okra soup, these are the recipes. These are what you will use to prepare simple okra soup. If you are a Nigerian or you are an African, you will know what I mean by okra soup. See, I showed you guys how I slice okra gradually. I showed you how I slice. Meanwhile, you know, this kitchen, I'm in my sister's kitchen, Mrs. Happiness. Okay, so
hello guys. Hello.
So,
how is everybody doing? Hope you all are doing great.
Do we look alike? You guys, please put your comment in the comment section.
She's the beautiful one.
And she too. She is too, so tell us if we look alike. Please let us know. If you want us to do sisters tag, put your comment in the comment section. We are going to do sisters tag.
Yes.
Okay, yes. So yeah, today we are in her kitchen. Okay?
I hope you love my kitchen.
So we are in her kitchen and we want to prepare simple okra soup. So if you are an African woman or African lady and you like okra soup, these are the recipes. Okay? So this is mackerel fish. This is okra already sliced. I showed you guys how I sliced it. This is crayfish. This is ogbono. Ogbono soup. This is ogbono, the ogbono seed, blended ogbono seed. So this one draws like it is a kind of slippery, like okra soup. So this is onion. This is maggi for seasoning. This is spinach. Then this is orishirishi. You know,
Right.
if you know, you know. Okay, if you know what I mean by orishirishi. Stripes. Yeah. So these are what the ingredients we are going to use to prepare this delicious.
And don't forget about the pepper. You know,
Okay.
pepper girl.
I also have
pepper girl.
grinded pepper and grinded bell pepper. Yeah, because you know we don't put a lot of oil. We just put a little bit oil. Then we use
That's the pepper.
bell pepper to make it look like red oil. So we don't use red oil a lot, you know about cholesterol and co. So because of that, we use less red oil. So we use more of bell pepper to replace red oil. So if you like what we do, please smash the like button. Okay, smash the like button for us to promote this channel. Okay, you know when you smash the like button, the YouTube will now recommend the channel to other people to watch. Thank you for always supporting me in this channel.
Don't forget
I
your
appreciate
oil.
your love, okay? Your support in this channel. I appreciate it a lot. So without much ado, let me also show you. We also use red oil. Just little bit of red oil. So red oil is made of palm fruit. Okay, it's been prepared. You know, there's a video I made. I'm here to post it about how my dad prepares red oil. You know, my dad. There's a video I made about my dad. He has an industry. He had an industry where red oil is being produced in oil mill. I made a video about that, so you look out, just watch out for the video. You're gonna see how red oil is being prepared from scratch to finish, from start to finish, from cutting it from the bush and preparing it, boiling it, and using the machine Igbo. They call it Igbo. So that is a oil mill where they produce oil. So watch my video about how my dad produced red oil, so you will see how red oil is being produced. So without much ado, I will still show you one ingredient I've not talked about. This is salt. So you can't cook anything without salt, so except the doctor's prescription. You see, so we add salt to taste, right? So let us start right now. So let us start.
Let's leave it.
Okay, now you have to, after washing your pot,
I washed it before.
ready, put it on fire, set it on fire, then keep the lights on. Yeah, so now
Okay. So let me get it. You need a tablespoon, right?
so put a little,
Maybe you can use measurement.
just little in second.
Okay.
What's on it?
Yeah, that's good.
So let's add the ogbono.
It's here.
need to allow the ogbono. You know, we are making just a little soup. So let's allow it to boil before we add the rest of the recipe. So you can off it. So you know, I just added the meat rishi, the stripe, okay? So okay, now push it over ya. So I have to add the fish now. So we allow it to boil a little so that you know the fish will bring out its taste. So we allow it to boil a little bit before we add the rest of the recipe. This soup will be so tasty, oh. So that is pepper.
This is red pepper.
This is
bell pepper, yeah.
Bell pepper. You see, this is bell pepper. So this is the grinded one. So you add your bell pepper. Now we have to add a little salt. So now I have to add this crayfish. Allow it to boil a bit before the vegetable will be the last, because you will not allow your vegetable to lose its quality. So we add it last. So I have to taste now. Let me see if this salt is enough for it. Yeah, I think the salt is enough. Okay,
I think it's good.
It's good. And the soup is delicious. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. So the soup is done. Oh. Now I have to add my veggies. You know, when veggies enter soup, next thing is to bring it down. Put my okra, the almighty okra. For the toothpick.
It looks so delicious.
Yeah, it is. It is. Trust me. You will thank me when you finish eating. You will thank me later. You eat already. Oh my God, it's looking yummy, 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 yummy. Woo! Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is spinach, oh. Spinach. This is spinach. Hey, okay, one ofe ogbonogra. Ofe ogbonogra Italy. 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 Oh, it's done. Oh, finally, we got our okra soup done. So very soon you're gonna meet us on the table to do the mukbang. Okay? Yes. So I can't wait. It is done. Woo! That's it. You see? Looking so fresh, looking so delicious, looking so yummy. Hi guys, we are doing the mukbang now. Okay, we are doing the wakisi. You know, African wakisi. If you know Africa, you know what I mean. Okay, this is the okra soup that we just made now. So we are now doing the mukbang, sending it where it's supposed to be. So if you're a fan of okra soup, please put thumb up, put your comment down in the comment section. Okay, then hit the red button to subscribe if you are watching up till now and you are yet to subscribe. Okay, to support your girl to reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, remember we are in my sister's kitchen. I'm in Maryland. I'm in Frederick, Maryland. You know I'm a Houstonian, right? So Lone Star State. But today I'm in Maryland in my sister's kitchen. So that is where we prepare this okra soup, this delicious okra soup. So it's time now for us to send it where it's supposed to be. So later on, the people that ate this okra soup will tell you, they will tell you the taste of it. Okay? Yes. So yeah, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. You see, my sister's son likes it. My sister's son likes it. They like it. They all like it. I like it too. Hi, baby. How are you? All right.
Okay, I go.
Yeah, it's time now to join my people to do the mukbang. I'm hungry, as you can see me now. I can't wait because the aroma of this soup, man. Oh my God! Wow! 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 Wow!
You see my handsome kids?
Yeah.
They are enjoying the fufu. Are they shy?
This soup, man. Oh my God!
It tastes good.
Yeah. So delicious. So delicious. You see the plantain fufu. Plantain fufu. Ya kwa ka gị nye nke. That made them longer, good. You make one post like you can and make it good. That's a way back, say like it.
Keep going. I'm ready for later.
Tastes so good. I'm enjoying it.
I used to eat that before.
No, I've not eaten it before. Just eating it now.
I used to